In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change sensitivity on Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. A lot of people have been having trouble finding the option to change the sensitivity on Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order. This is because the option is positioned in a very strange menu. So all that you have to do to change the sensitivity on Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order is to pause the game at any point and choose the settings option on the menu at the top of the screen. Immediately upon choosing settings, upon pausing the game, you will be able to find the controls tab. And what you have to do here is scroll down. For whatever reason, the option to change the sensitivity only appears when you scroll down in this window. So you will be able to scroll down, and in here you will be able to find mouse look sensitivity. And as the name suggests, this is the setting that you have to increase or decrease to change the sensitivity on Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order. So go over to these settings, choose controls at the left, and for whatever reason, scroll down. Once you change this setting, you will be good to go. Just save the changes and you will be able to play with the new sensitivity. If you keep scrolling down, you might also find other options related to sensitivity. So you might be able to find alongside the sensitivity, the y-axis, the x-axis, the y-axis for a gamepad, and the x-axis for a gamepad, which gives you the option to invert them if you are used to that sort of control. But to just change the sensitivity, the speed in which you will be able to look around and so on, you don't have to worry. Just change these things and you will be good to go the next time you get inside of Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order. Keep in mind that these options might differ if you are playing on PC versus console, but for the most part, they are going to be available right underneath the controls settings when you pause the game at any point and you scroll down and you will be able to find mouse look sensitivity or controller sensitivity. I hope I was able to help you on how to change sensitivity on Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.